Located on the corner of Ellsworth and Maple Roads, the Pines of Lake Forest is just 4 miles from downtown Ann Arbor and within close proximity of multiple golf courses, including Lake Forest Golf Club and neighboring Stonebridge Golf Course. Hi, I'm Mary Jo Hahn with the Bauma Group, and I'd like to welcome you to our listing at 3999 Calgary, located in the beautiful Pines of Lake Forest. This one-of-a-kind custom home backs to a beautiful tree-lined lot and features 5,035 square feet of living space. It also has 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths. Come on in and take a look. This spacious home provides a generous open floor plan that flows naturally from room to room. Step inside and admire the gracious 2-story foyer with a curved oak staircase. You can enjoy early mornings in the living room with the light pouring in from the expansive windows. The well-appointed kitchen with granite countertops is a chef's delight. To schedule your private showing, please give me a call today at 734-761-3060. Thank you. Make it a great day.